All right, 2010-11 Panini Luxury Sweet Hockey.
Jonathan Arju, rookie card. Martin St. Louis and Ryan Malone. Drew Doughty.
What are they, number 2?
417 out of 599 and 17 out of 150. Mark Flood. John Tavares. Numbered 102 out of 599.
Nice.
Dustin Bufflin, which is a prime jersey with a regular jersey numbered at 125, number 60. So far, 4 patches. Nikita Nikitin, rookie, numbered at 899. Pavel Datsyuk, numbered 599. Justin Mercier, rookie card, auto on card, numbered to 499. So last pack, and I get 2 redemption. Panini retired signatures, number 103.
103 is Darren Pang.
Adam Krakenall, Luke Shen, Diane Phaneuf, number to 599.